Are your Excel formulas returning wrong results and you have absolutely no idea why? In the next 60 seconds, I am going to show you the Evaluate Formula tool. When a complex nested formula returns an error or a wrong number, most people stare at it for minutes trying to mentally trace every function, which is Here we have a formula in cell C2 that is supposed to calculate a bonus, but it is returning a wrong value. First, click on cell C2 to select it so Excel knows which form inside the Evaluate formula. A dialog, you will see your full formula displayed with one part underlined. That is the piece Excel is about to calculate next. After stepping through, you can see that B2 equals 8,500. The first IF returns false, but the second IF correctly returns 8,500 times. You just learned how to use the Evaluate Formula tool under the Formulas tab to step through and debug any Excel Formula 1 calculation at a time.